Yeah, what's up, people? This is Slim OT founder of the Slim OT trading strategy. I'm still your number one plug for easy strategies, easy to use for amateurs, beginners, professionals. We still make it real. We make it real. We make it real. This is something new, something nice, something good, something that will spice up your trade, spice up your trading system, and I always make it easy for you guys. So this is another one. So here you have the strategy. It's easy. Yeah, it's easy. So you have an indicator that gives you a sell zone, which is the red, and then the blue zone, which is the buy. And then we have indicators that tells you, okay, the market has gotten to a point of reversal, so get ready to sell, get ready to buy. You get so, and then I have my entry arrow, which is here. It's like it's coined from two moving averages. Yeah, so that's what gives you your entry. And then we have the parabolic SARS. Yes, the parabolic SARS that gives you your stop loss, tells you where your stop loss should be at, and then yeah, tells you where your stop loss should be at. I think that's what it does. Stop loss one, and then your entry two. So it helps you to filter the trade, and it actually takes out the noise. So you want to enter a trade where you have the arrow and the pieces, and also the indicator that tells you market has gotten a high or a low, about to reverse or something. Yeah. And then here, this guy also assists. It also gives uh, a good filter also for the trade entry. So you can see we have the red zones, which is the sell zone, and then the blue zone, which is the buy zone. Yeah. Um, so that's cool, that's good. And then you have your MACD that gives you momentum, tells you, okay, yay, these guys have lost momentum, or these guys have gained momentum. So you have your histogram here in white, and then you can see the sellers have momentum all the way down as the histogram falls down. You get, and then here you can see that the sellers are losing momentum. The histogram is going back up. So you want to buy when you have your signal line just below the histogram. So once you have your histogram like this, you are not looking for buy trades. So once you have your arrow, you have your pizza touch, and you have your um, reversal signal, then you're ready to buy or take the trade. And this is a moving average indicator that changes color. This is moving average 8. Yeah, it's just there to filter the trade. Okay, we're still gonna buy, so let's buy. So you can see this is fresh trade for today, which is 15th of January 2021. Yep, and you can see the arrow, you can see your piece as touch, and then you can see the changing color here. You can see this guy is still in the buy zone, and then it changes color to sell zone. And here you can see this guy has changed to sell zone, and you can see that here buyers lost momentum and the histogram kept falling, and you already know, okay, yeah, I'm looking for a sell around here, and then the arrow came out, and yeah, boom, you say, okay, yes, I need to sell. You already have this confirmation of price possible reversal, which is here, and then you are now waiting for the final signals to get into the trade to collect at least 50 pips, at least 50 pips. So let's see if we got 50 from here, assuming you entered very late here. So yeah, we have 60, 70 pips. You can see the changing color, momentum loss, and boom, you're in the trade. Let's see, another Pisa's touch. You have a sell here, but wrong direction for Pisa's. You won't take this trade obviously because uh you can, but I won't. I just want to be close to where the Pisa's touches the candle, and then we sell or buy. So we have this one, and this one. We have confirmation here, so we want to sell from here. You can see this guy is not yet changed color, but it will. This one hasn't changed color, but then it did around here. So we can enter around here, and we have a drop in momentum, which is really cool. It's really good to have some backings while trading. So you can see we just want to take 50 pips. I already have the 50 pips, and if you're that greedy, you can stay. But I won't advise you staying. But if you are very greedy, you can actually stay until you have a touch on the pieces. So that one tells you, okay, yeah, we have to run away now. So you close your sell. If the criteria are okay for a buy, boom, you take the buy, and that's it. You do that, and you're safe every day. Let's see, is there a trade here? We have a Pisa's touch. Yes, one confirmation. We have loss in momentum. You can see. So now we're looking for a sell. You see loss in momentum here, but then you look, the Pisa's wasn't touched, and there's no arrow, so you can't sell. Here you have a Pisa's touch, and then there's no arrow. And once you need to know, the arrow doesn't repent. That's the beauty of it. Once it comes, it comes. If the price goes back there, it doesn't repent. You get, there's no arrow and there's no sell indication in this area, and this one doesn't repent too. If another one comes close, it happens. It just occurs. I think we can have, yeah, like you have this, and then you have a buy, and then you now have another sell again. You can see, and sometimes you might have a sell, and then you now have a buy right on top of the sell. So the beauty of my indicators is that they don't repent, and I'm a very greedy trader. I trade high lots on small accounts. I can use a $20 account to generate $100 profits in one trade, because the trade is like a 1 to 5 it's a 1 to 5 risk to reward, 1 to 3, 1 to 5. So it depends on how you want to take it. So you have 30 to 50 pips target. Yeah, that is it. So I think I've been able to convince you with my little and few words that this okay. So I think there's something like a possible trade around here. Okay, we have a momentum loss, so now we're looking for a buy, and then we have a Pisa's touch. We have the arrow. Boom. Do we have a confirmation for trade reversal? Yes, we have a confirmation for trade reversal here, but then there is no entry signal, and then we have a buy signal, and then the Pisa's was touched. And so once the candle closes on the 1 hour, you take the trade, and you have a drawdown of like 16 pips, and boom, you take the trade and you are in the trade. Move up, you're actually in momentum level, so you stay in the trade until you see a drop in momentum, but 50 pips came before a drop in momentum, so we're safe, confirmedly safe. And this is 220 pips, and then you are selling right from the top. So it's so beautiful, guys. It's so nice, guys. You really want to get this strategy, you want to get these indicators. My I actually trade on I sell on Fiverr, so I am Slim OTT on Fiverr. So the link is right below. The link is in the description page, so you can just click on the link and go to the Fiverr sales page and make your payment. Once you make your payment, you get the strategy delivered, the link to all the details you need for the strategy. And I've already explained the strategy, so you see the video here already. And yeah, and you get a benefit like anything, any updates I make on any strategy, you're actually going to see it. You're actually going to get it because going to add it to the same folder where I have the strategies. So like now I have like 3 to 4 strategies, and this is a new one, really recently updated, and this is what I'm just going to be using for now. And yeah, so that is it. That is it. That is how it's done. That is how you trade the strategy. That is how you trade the strategy. Yep. So yeah, we also have a trend line, but not in use though. Okay, so I'm still Slim Multi-Ted, founder of the Slim Multi-Ted trading strategy. Oh, that is it from me. And gold, those for gold traders. Let's see, does it work on gold? We're looking for momentum, drop, a change. Yes, we have this, and then we have this. Gold, nope. What's the time frame? 5 minutes, nope. So gold can be tricky. Gold can be tricky, I know. So you can see you are in a sell zone. You don't want to sell gold. Gold is tricky, so don't try to sell gold without waiting for the change. So you have the arrow, you have this, you have a momentum, and then you are in the market. So you are in, take your profit. You have the sell, you have a color change, you have now this one indicates a reversal, so you know how to get out once it's time. Besides touch, you sell a little and then you run out, lost momentum. Yep, you have a sell here in a red zone already. You have this indication for sell. You have your arrow, you have your pieces touch, good, and here you have your change in color. Here you have your momentum drop, and then boom, you sell gold, and it's just the same thing in all the pairs. Mostly it's good you just trade the pair you know, so that you know, okay, this is a sell. I already know it's a sell, and then you have the indicators to support your trade. Or if you don't even know it's a sell or a buy, you just follow the instructions I've given to you, and boom, voila, you're making profit, you're making money already. Okay, so I gotta go, and this is Slim Multi-Ted. Don't forget to like my channel, like, subscribe, like my videos, watch, just subscribe so you can get more updates. Okay, so this is still Slim Multi-Ted, founder of the Slim Multi-Ted trading strategy. I'm still your #1 plug, and I'm always here to make you trade better and make more profit. Okay, so that's it from me.